Hunger is an idea, and every morning I wake up and ask myself, how can I be better? Be a better me than I was yesterday. From the minute I wake up until the moment I close my eyes, I'm on a journey to find my true self. And while some people are content with store-bought foods, I work for my food because I deserve better. My family deserves better. You deserve better. I've always felt that cooking is experiencing true freedom. Freedom in the face of overwhelming judgment and criticism. Criticism from my mother, my friends, and most importantly, my Instagram followers. When I'm cooking, I'm alive. The colors and smells swirl around me like a beautiful melody. The feeling of knowing that you're doing something right in this life, leaving a legacy, something to be passed down to future generations. The kitchen is where tradition is born. Think about it. For thousands of years, the kitchen has been the center of family, community, happiness. While everyone's chasing happiness, I've already found it. I've created it with my own hands and my own ingenuity. I don't look up how to make recipes online or in a cookbook. I just feel them. I know. People don't ask me to share my recipes or for cooking advice because they understand that you can't recreate something that came from the heart. Hunger is an idea.